Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you how you can add overlays to your videos in the Edits Instagram app. Now, what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to show you how you can add an image, and I'm also going to show you how you can add videos on your videos, right? So what you do is once you're inside of the Edits Instagram app on the project section here, you just pick one of your videos that you want to edit and add overlays to. And then once you see your video, if you accidentally tap the video here, let me go back. Like if you tap it here and you see these the yellow lines and stuff on here, highlighting it right here, you're probably not going to find the overlays. So what you want to do is you want to come outside, let's say where this is, the yellow line is at on the video here. Come right below that and just tap outside of that, and then that will take away that. And now you're going to be able to find the overlay. So once you scroll over, here's where the overlay button is at, is right next to the filters and the sound FX. So let's add an overlay. So once you tap on that, let's do the gallery first. So let's just tap on gallery and just pick an image, right? So we're just gonna pick that one, and up here to the top here, you got a check mark. Just tap that. And as you can see, just add that image on the video. And you can also adjust the image here. So you can just come down to the bottom. You can put it to the bottom if you want. If you want to place something up there to the top as you're speaking, or have an image with some text or something on there, you can do that. Let me see, I'm just going to scroll that back down. And also you can even determine how long that image is going to be on your video. So what I can do here is I can just stretch this out. You can see as I'm talking, I can have this image stay on the whole video or this part of a section of the video. Okay, so that's how you do an image overlay. What I'm gonna do here is I'm going to delete that. Since it's already highlighted right here, I'm just going to come down here and just hit delete. Okay, and see it's going to delete that overlay off of my video. Now the next one here is I want to do a video on top of a video overlay. So nothing's highlighted here, so I'm going to be able to find the overlay again. So add to the bottom as I'm scrolling here, there you go, there's overlay. So you just want to tap that overlay, but this time we're going to tap the rears and we're going to add a video this time. Okay, so I'm just going to tap this video here, and as you see, the video is there. Now you might not be able to see this video because it looked kind of blended in, but let me adjust it and you're going to be able to see that this is a video. So as I'm adjusting, I'm making it smaller. Now you can see that this is a video, and I'm making it real small here, pushing it to the side so you can see that, right? Okay, now when you're adding a video on top of video, you don't want both people speaking on the video, right? So what you can do is you want to maybe have the overlay videos speaking, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to tap, let's see, go back. Let me go back here, and I'm going to tap my video below. So I'm tapping my video that is the first video, not the overlay of the video. Because if you want that overlay video to be speaking, then you probably want to turn off the volume down on the other video, right? And how you do that is once you have that video highlighted, you want to come over here to the bottom here where it says volume. So you just tap on volume, and this is where you can adjust the volume of the video that is highlighted, right? So I'm going to push that all the way down to 0 because I want my overlay video to be speaking. And I'm just going to hit the check mark. Okay. And there it is. So now I'm just going to play a little bit of it so you can, both videos are going to play, but only one you're going to hear the sound of. So let's tap that. Before you try to sell anything online, learn how to market. Okay, so there you go. So you only heard one voice right there. And that's how you can add a video over a video, overlay. So that's how you can do that. And then let's say if you want to delete it. Okay, you just do the same. You just tap on the overlay. Let's go. So the video right above your video here, you tap that, and then you just hit delete. and now it's gone. And guys, that's how you add overlay images and overlay videos in the Edits Instagram app on your videos. And you can do this, I guess, if you want to post this on Facebook, if you want to do like YouTube shorts, if you want to do TikTok videos. This is some basic video editing for you guys. Hope that you like this. Make sure that you like this video and drop a comment and let me know what you think about this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.